Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Flare Network powering use cases. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official Crypto Growth partners for the exchange. We've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, discounts, offers, benefits, and lowest fees. So do check it out. And as far as the wallet is concerned, you can check out Decent. They've got their remarkable products, their biometric wallet, which has got an astonishing $30 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $99 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, so do check it out. Anyways, let's see what's happening with Flare in real time, what the official handles are saying, and for that we do not need to look any further than Mr. Hugo Fillion. I saw this video over here. This was a really great video. I wanted to share this with you folks. Look at this. But before I share it, let me just take you through what's happening with Flare in real time, what Hugo is saying. There are indeed 2 to 3 really great posts. For those of you that know about Flare, know Hugo as the co-founder of Flare Networks and CEO of Flare Labs. He never disappoints. Awesome updates always. Look at this. Flare Educate is kicking off next week. Encode Club. From 20th Jan, explore blockchains and EVM, dive into tokens and oracles, and deep dive FTSO, FDC, and FSP on Flare Networks, all in one engaging series. Look at this. The blockchain for data. Blockchains, EVM, smart contracts, blockchain fundamentals and consensus, EVM architecture and smart contracts, key strengths and weaknesses of decentralized systems for those of you that want to learn and educate themselves regarding these key concepts. They can follow this. EVM smart contracts, setting up a development environment, RPC, hard hat versus foundry, and testing, creating a simple smart contract. Tokens and oracles, ERC20, ERC721, and a simple pricing oracle, understanding oracle use cases and types, FTSO and FTC capabilities and benefits. Look at this, the FTSO deep dive, Flare Time Series Oracle, getting price in 102 ways, perpetual future contract using DA layer, FDC and FSP, FDC explanation and integration in FSP, simple FDC use case. Awesome. Look at this. Hugo's picture of from a different era. He's unrecognizable. Look at this, folks. Yeah, time flies so quickly. If reports are accurate, it looks like Flare may need to relocate. I do not know about these reports, so yeah. I'm more interested in working on making AI safer and more useful by using a blockchain. Skeptor says that we are currently running a poll to learn what we can do to address common concerns regarding staking on Skeptor LS. If you're part of the community but haven't staked yet, we would love to hear from you. I really like where the DeFi of Flare is headed. They're really doing a great job. There was a really good post about F assets as well. Let me share that with you, and then we can come and watch this video together. There was a really interesting post. Yeah, this was it. To look at this about F assets, and then I'm going to be showing you a really good post about Doge over here. Just a moment. A closer look at how Flare Data Connector is supporting the F asset system. It tracks states and events across XRPL, Doge, and BTC, providing cryptographic proofs for data originating outside Flare networks. This powers game-changing use cases like F assets. Let me talking about F assets. Doge is here. When we're talking about F assets, look at this. Yo, Doge fam. Dogecoin Right says that Flare Networks is taking Dogecoin to the next level. Not only Doge, Flare is trying to take XRP and BTC to the next level as well. FDoge on Songbird brings Doge plus DeFi into the future. You can now mint, trade, and earn through FAsset ecosystem. OGs, check the utilities, you will love it. Look at this. The second FAsset is in. Welcome, Doge and Doge community to the Songbird. Have you tried FXRP in the Songbird test already? If so, you're a veteran. Several adjustments are being implemented to help more users test the system. Read on to learn more. Helpful tips: minting and redeeming FDoge might take longer, approximately 1 hour, due to Doge chain's block confirmation time. This is due to the Doge chain's block confirmation and not due to Flare. Okay, so before testing, if you had connected the wallets before with the minting platforms, please disconnect your wallet, then go to the Bifrost wallet settings, advanced, clear cache, reconnect your wallet to ensure a smooth experience. The FAsset Songbird test is dynamic, with all participants contributing their time and efforts to test and improve the system in every possible way. These tests will help us deliver a product we can all be proud of. So this is great. The FAsset has the potential to be huge, not just for Flare, but for the entire world of crypto and finance in particular, folks. Now let's see this video over here. This one seems interesting. Flare data with verifiable off-chain compute, build dApps on Flare, plus trusted execution environments, TEEs, equals data richness and complex compute. Let's see.
So now back to Flare. We've covered how Flare is an L1 EVM chain with enshrined data protocols, oracles. And now we come on to the next thing that we're building to improve both the developer and user experience. You can build dApps on Flare that use data from the enshrined oracles and harness trusted execution environments for complex and data-heavy compute needs. To us, this is very exciting, but why? So what's the problem? What's the problem we're dealing with? Everyone is used to very high-quality applications on Web 2. Like Instagram, X, or Apple Music. These applications require huge amounts of data and are very compute rich. But blockchains aren't capable of handling this amount of data or this amount of compute. For instance, to store just 1 gigabyte of data on Ethereum would cost you $60 million. And on Solana, it would cost you $10 million. By contrast, to secure this in a TEE using Google Cloud, it costs 27 cents. So this means that dApps built on blockchains are incredibly basic, and they don't meet the expectations of the vast majority of potential users. Ultimately, this limits what can be built and is a massive barrier to adoption. Just 2 examples complete the picture here. With a centralized exchange, like Binance or any of the other exchanges, there are fee tiers for how much you trade. This is impossible to compute on-chain. It is impossible to keep a track and compute a particular user's trading on Uniswap and to do that on-chain. And this is why Uniswap doesn't have fee tiers like its competition in the CEX world. Another example, OpenSea, with its NFTs, only acquires 5 data points from the blockchain. This is not the kind of user experience that the vast majority of people in the world are looking for. It's only us in this room that tolerate it. So TEEs, trusted execution environments, can solve a problem, but what are they? A TEE is a secure enclave within a CPU. You use one every day in your Apple iPhone for Face ID. They enable trustless, tamper-proof, and confidential computation. This is referred to as verifiable compute, i.e., knowing the inputs, the output given can be verified for correctness. This is an incredibly useful quality for blockchain dApps. So how does integrating TEEs give users feature-rich dApps whilst not reverting to Web 2 trust assumptions? Well, in Web 2, a user relies on the application provider for the program integrity. You can think of program integrity as being the rules of the application. For instance, on X or Facebook, that when you log in, your account will still exist. You trust that the provider will not give all of your private information to anyone that asks it. This is program integrity. You also trust that application and that application's owners for compute integrity. You can think of that as being the expected outcome of using the application, i.e., that when you do something, you get the same expected result every time. For instance, that when you send someone $100 from your bank account, $1,000 is not sent. In Web 2, for both of these cases, program and compute integrity, you, the user, have no control over either. You can be banned from using Instagram or X without any recourse. This is program integrity. Your search results on Google may deviate markedly from day to day for the same query. This is compute integrity. But by combining Flare and verifiable off-chain compute, we can build dApps where the program integrity, that is the rules of the application, are embedded in the blockchain. And the compute, whilst taken off-chain into a trusted execution environment, is verifiably correct according to the rules of the app embedded on the chain. So this means that an X, an Instagram, a shopping application, or anything else can be built where you have certainty over the continued existence of your account and how the data you're passing to that application is processed. You can build or use Web 2 applications, but with blockchain guarantees. And this is why we're very excited about TEEs. But of course, these applications need data. And in order to ensure the integrity of that application, then the data sourced must be sourced in a decentralized way. And the only real solution to that today is Flare.
So folks, what do you guys think about Flare Network powering use cases? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much everyone.